Welcome to the e-stamping tutorial on how to stamp share transfer documents. After logging in via SyncPass, click on Stamping. Select Share Transfer. Input your file reference number, if any, and select the relevant description under Nature of Transaction and Document Description or Title. Tick the checkbox if the shares is held in trust for a beneficiary. If you have a past related stamping record, enter the document reference number to pre-fill the form details. If not, click Skip. Next, under Document Details, select Physical or Electronic for the format of your document. If you have selected Electronic, select the type of document from the drop-down list under Mode of Offer and Mode of Acceptance. Next, indicate whether your document was signed in Singapore or overseas, and indicate the date of signing. If the date is unavailable, click the checkbox below. Lastly, enter the total consideration amount. Fill in the transferor and transferee details. If there is more than one transferor and transferee, click the Add button below their respective section to add more parties. Next, proceed to company details. Select and fill in the company identity number. If you have provided a valid UEN, the company name will be automatically populated. Fill in the date of incorporation and select the relevant company type. If the target company owns any property, click on Property or Land to fill in the details accordingly. If you have selected property, enter the postal code and click Retrieve. Enter the level, unit, and value of the property. Next, proceed to transfer details. Fill in the financial details of the company. Indicate if the company has one or multiple classes of shares. Enter the share details. If there are multiple classes of shares, click on Add to enter another share class and modify the priority over capital distribution accordingly. Next, proceed to remissions, reliefs, or exemptions. Any applicable remissions, reliefs, or exemptions would be indicated here. Next, proceed to summary. Carefully review that all information entered is correct. To make changes, click Edit next to the relevant section. Carefully review that all information entered is correct. And click Submit to IRS to proceed to pay. Click Pay to proceed to payment. If you have an existing gyro arrangement, you will be brought to the acknowledgement page instead. On the payment page, please note down the document reference number. Next, select your preferred payment mode. And click Continue to proceed. If payment is successful or if you have selected Proceed to Acknowledgement, you will be directed to the final acknowledgement page. Your stamp certificate should be generated in a few moments. If not, check back in a couple of hours. That's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial.